each time you start up RobotC and start a new file, what I want you to do is go up to File, Open Sample Program. Then in here you're going to look for the PLTW folder, and then select the PLTW template and go ahead and open it. This is going to open up a specific template that we're going to use each time. Before you do anything else, please go ahead and save your file. Remember to save it somewhere other than the folder we just got it from. Say, for example, save it to your local student folder. So I could save it here, and let's call this 3.1.1. Maybe I'll call it test, but name it whatever the activity is. Next thing what you do is go ahead and name it. So for example, I'm going to do a simple program, an easy turn a motor on, turn a motor off type of program. So I will call it motor on off program. Team members, I would put my name in here, and I will put myself for now. Date, write in the date, whatever date it might be. Section, DOE. Okay. Our task description is going to be more of a sentence type structure. So what I'm going to have this program do here is turn a motor on and off for 5 seconds each. Repeat this task 3 times. So our task description ends up being more of a sentence type structure. Our pseudocode down at this level now becomes kind of like a step between our task description and our task main. So what you'll end up doing here is start to break it down. Alright, so I need to turn a motor on. Okay, so I'm going to start a motor, and I will call our motor just M1. Alright, turn a motor on and off for 5 seconds each. Okay, so start a motor, and then I'm going to wait 5 seconds. Then I want to stop the motor, M1 in this case, and wait 5 seconds. Now, at this level, to do it simply 3 times, we may just repeat this code 3 different times. So go down here, repeat it, repeat it. So I'm starting a motor, M1, waiting 5 seconds, stopping motor M1, waiting 5 seconds, and then repeating that process over and over again. Later on in our program, you're going to learn control structures that will allow you to do this a little bit easier. After we've come up with this, and only after that you've done these 3 steps, will you come down here and start to write your code. So say, for example, I might start motor, and we were calling our motor M1, and we'll run it at half speed. Then we'll wait 5 seconds, and then whenever you start a motor, you should get in the habit of stopping a motor. And again, we're going to wait 5 seconds. Okay, and we'll just copy this code. So that it starts and stops the motor for 5 seconds, starts and stops, does that 3 times, so that it meets what our task description is.